What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome scalping trading strategy that has a super high win rate if executed properly, and explain how to become a consistent trader and start making money with Tradingview. I'm using 15-minute time frame on Bitcoin USDT. Just watch this video until the end to learn how to use these great Tradingview indicators. But before the video starts, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below and turning on the notification bell. Your support will make me more excited to create more content on my YouTube channel. This is all you need to increase your account in a super fast and simple, yet very profitable way, and also learn how to use the best indicators from Tradingview for free by making a chart analysis that will allow you to start investing in crypto and forex on the day trade and thus get an extra income. To add the first indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type Chandelier Exit. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Click on Settings and in Inputs tab change ATR period to 1. Change ATR multiplier to 1.85. Unselect these two checkboxes. In Style tab unselect all checkboxes except buy label and sell label checkboxes. Click OK to finish. Open again the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type ZLSMA. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Indicator will remain on default settings. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. As soon as I post a new video, you will be notified immediately. To add the third and last indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type WADDAH ATTAR EXPLOSION V2. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Click on Settings and in Inputs tab change sensitivity to 100. In Style tab change explosion line color to white. Unselect Dead Zone Line checkbox. Click OK to finish. Setup is complete. Thanks to these very smart indicators, you can follow the market trend and find high probability trade entries to maximize profits. I will use ZLSMA indicator to determine the trend direction. I will use Chandelier Exit indicator to show the entry point of the operation. I will use WADDAH ATTAR Explosion to confirm the entry signal provided by the previous indicator. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos about helping you become a more profitable trader. For a buy order, market must be above the ZLSMA line. A green buy signal must appear. WADDAH ATTAR explosion bar must be green and above the white line. If these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the buying strategy. For a sell order, market must be below the ZLSMA line. A red sell signal must appear. WADDAH ATTAR explosion bar must be red and above the white line. If these conditions are met, place a sell order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the selling strategy. How you can use your trading worries to your advantage. In the simplest sense of the word, worrying is to feel concerned or uncomfortable, oftentimes in anticipation of a negative event or outcome. After all, we're all human and we have the basic need to avoid pain. For traders, the major sources of psychological pain tend to involve losing capital and or being on the wrong side of trades. Why is it a problem? If not handled properly, worrying can become a big hurdle to success as it can lead to a host of different issues. For instance, you might have experienced impulsively changing your profit and stop loss levels only to find out that your original trading levels were correct in the first place. Because you let your worries of losing or being wrong get to you, you ended up not following your trading plan. How do you use worrying to your advantage? Worrying can be used as a signal for different issues. Maybe you could have planned better, your position may be over-leveraged, or maybe you may be avoiding a harsher reality outside of trading. Let's say you realize that you've been obsessing about your losing trade, and it's only 0.1% of your account. Whatever it may be, imagine yourself in this worst-case scenario, and think about what you're going to do if you were actually in it. This self-critical exercise is called visualization, and it may give you more feeling of control over the situations that you're dreading. Once you've identified the root of your worries, then you can start working on them so they will stop distracting you from your trading process. I will now show some examples of buy and sell orders. Market is above the ZLSMA line. A green buy signal appears. WADDAH ATTAR explosion is green and above the white line. As these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been successfully closed. Let's look for next trade. Market is above the ZLSMA line. A green buy signal appears. WADDAH ATTAR explosion is green and above the white line. As these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss below the nearest swing low. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been closed with profit. Let's look for next trade. Market is below the ZLSMA line. A red sell signal appears. WADDAH ATTAR explosion bar is red and above the white line. As these conditions are met, place a sell order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been successfully closed. Let's look for next trade. Market is below the ZLSMA line. A red sell signal appears. WADDAH ATTAR explosion bar is red and above the white line. As these conditions are met, place a sell order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss above the nearest swing high. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been closed with profit. As you can see, this strategy is quite simple to follow, but very profitable. Use this proposed strategy if you are interested in having very positive results. If you have any question, please comment below, and if you love this content, please give a like in this video. Your like always motivates me to discover new profitable trading systems, and for future videos, you can subscribe to the channel. Now check out this next video where I show you another awesome scalp and trading strategy I'm sure you're gonna love. So as always, thanks for watching. See you on next one.